Oh, look at you. How you doing, buddy? Bye-bye. Don't go on the road. Don't play in traffic. So much construction and gravel. This is actually better than what was just behind me. I'm going to get into one of these tire tracks here. There we go. There was just past. I got a little bit of the footage. It was all scattered and kind of like broken up in big rocks of tarmac. So looks like they're repaving the last half of this road. It's not too great now, but it's well signed. And I'm very glad I've got my Pilot Road 4s on, because hopefully that harder compound rubber can deal with it. Spidey, a drink for all ages. Okay, we've just passed Bradburn. It is 7:40. The sun is due to set at about 8:20, I believe. And we've got little rock wallabies showing up on the side of the road. They seem smarter than their mainland counterparts though. They all seem to run away from me, which is a positive sign, but I'm still going to keep an eye out. Oh, look at this. Oh, yeah. This is the part of the map that I looked ahead at and saw it was a little bit twistier. And before that was about 20 k's of gravel road. Not too many corners on the gravel though, so take it nice and easy and it's alright. Remember, you only have fun if you reach the other end in one piece. There we go. I'm more than happy to let this car take any hits of wildlife rather than me. Just going into a place called Briona. I think that's how you say it. Bye bye Tonka truck. Or are you just letting me pass? Nope, just letting me pass. Okay. Oh, right, yeah. Typical. Car lets me pass, road turns to gravel again. Uh-oh. Ooh, if this was tarmac, imagine how good this would be. Ah. Ooh, that is dodgy as fuck. I'm fucking with my suspension and chain tension. I did clean and tighten the... Ooh. I have clean and... Oh, look at this. I did clean and tighten the chain just before leaving. And check my oils and put new oil in. Always a good idea to put new oil before a big trip. Oh, sweet, sweet tarmac. I see it. I see it. Oh. Ooh. And it hits 100k zone. Oh, fog. That's a new one. I wonder what altitude this is. Look at all that. Alright. Oh, okay. That wallaby was just kind of staring at me going, what the fuck are you? Whoa. Okay. That was a thing. Oh, there are so many of them. See, this is why I wanted the Tonka truck to go ahead. So I take back what I said about those guys being smart. But then again, I'm probably just as dumb. Look at this. Alright. Now my helmet has lights on it. So I'm just gonna... There we go. Let's make them, yep, flash. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi. I can see like 4 or 5 seconds ahead. Oh, no, make that 2. Jesus Christ. Jesus H. Christ. Highest point 1,210 meters. Altitude of 1,210 meters. Right now I'm very glad that I have a fuel injected bike. Although the revs have gone up something hectic. Yay, next 7Ks of twisties. Hopefully that means we're going downhill. Oh, Jesus. This is gorgeous. I don't care how dangerous this is. This is gorgeous. The rocks and the mountains and the cliffs and the fogs, the clouds. Oh, look at that. Oh, and that road, look at that road. think my lady on her maps, my phone is like giving me directions, and the lady on my maps kept on annoying me at the start of the trip, like every 10 minutes. We've found a faster route. We've found a faster route. Press no if you don't want to go on the faster route. I'm on a bike, I can't press no. All I can say is, you bitch. Oh, you bitch. Stop doing that. You're slowing me down. Every single time you say that, I want to pull over and then press the button that sends you the way I want to go. Instead, I found it was easier. Like, don't get me wrong, she's great in the city. Fantastic in the city even. Yeah, the GPS lady is great in the city, but they always want to take you the fastest way. They never want to take you the funnest way. There's no option for fun. I'm gonna go wide. Still getting used to all this added weight. I thought that was gonna be a much sharper corner. And then I thought that stump was an animal. And I thought that one was as well. And there's moss in the road. Like, okay, sure, there are all these hazards that you should be aware of. But if you are aware of them and you keep an eye out on them, don't go to your straight up limit, then you've got room to breathe. Oh, yes! Oh! Look at that big fucking rock! You're sick, mate. I know what it is. I lead with my left hand. Yeah, you dickhead. Get the fuck out of here.